This video will demonstrate how to enable remote management for your Unleashed network using a social media login on the Unleashed mobile app. This is a great feature for the remote management of a customer site. A typical use case for this feature would be as follows. A partner or reseller sets up an Unleashed network for a customer on the customer's premise. After configuring the network, they then set up a remote management via a social media login account using Twitter, Google, or Facebook while on premise and connected to the Unleashed network. Once the remote login is set up, they can remotely manage the Unleashed network from any distant location. Why use social login? It allows you to manage an Unleashed network remotely and locally without altering firewalls. You can manage multiple Unleashed networks with a single sign-on. Up to 10 Unleashed networks can be remotely managed, and you can access Unleashed networks from multiple devices. Let's go through a short demo to demonstrate how this process is done. From your mobile device, you'll launch the Unleashed mobile app, and then you're going to select Manage Network. This gives you three choices of social login. You can log in with Twitter, Google, or you can log in with Facebook. We're going to log in with Google for this example. So it'll ask me, do you want to remotely manage the Unleashed network you are connected to? So I'm going to press on Yes. Then it will ask me for the admin username and password. This is what you set up when you initially installed your network. So I'll enter in my username, which is admin, and then my password. And as a note, in order to add the Unleashed network, you must be on the premise connected to the local Unleashed network when you enter in this information. And then I'll press on Next. Then it says adding this network for management. And then it will say network added for management, go to the dashboard. And there I have it. I am now logged in using my Gmail account. And I could do the same thing using Twitter or Facebook. It'd be a similar process. One other thing I'd like to mention. At the top of the app, you see Awani Studio with a down arrow. If I tap on the down arrow, it will show me the Unleashed networks that have already been added for remote management. In this case, you see that I have one. If I press on the plus symbol in the lower right-hand corner, I can add more Unleashed networks. I would do this by typing in the admin username and then the password. But as a note, before adding these additional networks, you must be physically present on premise to add these Unleashed networks. Once they are added, you can then log in and monitor them remotely. So I'll hit the back arrow, and once they are set up locally, you can then log in remotely from any location. Remember that you can add and manage up to 10 Unleashed networks.